guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I relax and style my hair. I got my hair done today, so I got my hair cut today, so I thought it would be nice for me to show you guys how I relax it and how I curl it. And it's really simple, and I like doing it. Obviously short hair is very high maintenance. I feel like it's more maintenance than long hair because, I don't know, I just feel like it's more maintenance, and obviously you have to cut your hair more frequently and all that type of jazz. But I thought I'd show you guys for anyone that's interested. If you do like this hairstyle and you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, that'd be amazing. And enjoy the tutorial, guys. The relaxer I'm going to be using is Dr. Miracle's regular relaxer, and it's like this. Yes, I'm going to leave this relaxer on for a little bit, and then I'm going to go and wash it with the neutralizing shampoo and the leave-in conditioner that came in the box. And then once that's all done, I'm going to come back to you guys and I'm going to show you guys my next step. Okay, so I have finished relaxing my hair. Once I washed it with the neutralizing shampoo, I did put the leave-in conditioner and I left it in for like 5 minutes, like it said on the it says it on the bottle. So I left it in. So my hair feels so soft. I love using Dr. Miracle. It's the nicest thing ever. So I'm going to take some more of that leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to take a tiny bit because you can, obviously you can leave it in your hair if you use a tiny bit, or you can mince it out. So I've just taken a small amount and apply that to my hair. I'm going to be taking some shea butter. It's like literally the natural one, so I need to melt it in my hand because I cannot be bothered to go to the microwave to melt it. Okay, so I'm gonna foam wrap my hair, and when I went and bought my relaxer, I also bought this styling foam by Dr. Miracle. I really like Dr. Miracle products, so I wanted to try the whole shebang, you know. Why not use the whole collection, you know? So I'm gonna style my hair with this, and then yeah, I'm going to show you what I do basically. this Indian hemp. It's like a hair and scalp grease thing, and I'm just gonna put it on like the sides of my hair. Just it helps, obviously, grease my hair, and it just keeps the sides down without sticking up because it's so short. They have a tendency to want to stick up. Exhibit A. Ooh, I like how short it is. I got it cut today, so I like it. Like, look at that. It's lovely. So I don't think I'm gonna straighten the sides like I normally do, but let's see. So the next Dr. Miracle product I bought. This is not sponsored by Dr. Miracle. It's really like Dr. Miracle. Dr. Miracle, but Dr. Miracle, if you're watching this, you know, you could, you know, help you out. But so I got this I don't know if I'm saying this right, but it's Archive Thermal Protection Styler. Obviously, because I put a lot of heat on my hair, I need to use a protectant. I was using a protectant before, but I don't know if it was good for my hair texture. So, yeah, but I'm going to apply it to my whole head. Just to add some extra protection. Okay, so I'm going to be using a hair colour to curl my hair. Before I was using a tiny hair straightener, but I realised I had these and I feel like they're kind of better. I got this from Argos for like 10, 15 pounds. I got it a long time ago, so I don't know if they're going to have it. But if I find it, I'll put a link down below. So yeah, you don't have to spend so much money on a hair straightener. Okay, so I'm going to use this comb here to comb out my hair.